Measuring for new vinyl exterior shutters requires minimal time and basic equipment. This video will help you evaluate the best approach for a successful installation. Vinyl exterior shutters anchor permanently to the building surface, just outside of the window. Ideally, each shutter should equal half of the window width to replicate the appearance of working functional shutters. Size limitations may not allow the shutters to equal exactly half of the window width, so it may be necessary to order a slightly smaller size than ideal. Do not use shutters greater than half of the window width. Occasionally, an obstacle can prevent the shutters from being used on both sides of the window. It is acceptable to use a full-width shutter installed on one side of the window. Wide windows require appropriately sized shutters, which in concept should also match the window width. Some windows are simply too wide to conform to standard guidelines and can't accommodate full-width shutters. If concessions need to be made, don't arbitrarily specify a width. Attempt to realistically stay within the easily divisible portions of the window. Measure the window width from the far left of the trim to the same point on the opposite side. Divide that measurement by 2 for the approximate shutter width. Technically, the shutter height should align with the window opening height. This approach is the most historically accurate. However, wide trim can cause the shutters to appear short in comparison. We often use an approach that gives more symmetry to the presentation and select to install stationary shutters the full height of the window casing. Exterior shutters should not exceed the window height. Measure the height from the top edge of the window trim to the same point at the bottom. Spikes are used to install vinyl shutters to hard surfaces, such as masonry, stucco, or hardboard. They tap through the face of the shutter into a pre-drilled hole in the home siding. Screws work best to adhere to soft materials, such as wood or vinyl. The screw head is painted to match the shutter color. The selected device will secure each shutter in 6 locations at the center of the side stiles. Inspect the surface to ensure stability. This is a great time to also select the shutter finish color, matching to the trim paint or the front door. Choose from a wide array of molded through standard colors. Record dimensions, color, shutter configuration, which can be found on shutterland.com or on the style specification guide, and mounting preference to reference when ordering. Once your shutters are delivered, check out our installation video for helpful tips to get your shutters up safely and quickly. Visit us at shutterland.com for more information.